Hey there! Welcome to the behind-the-scenes look at how I created the Halloween planners for both Notion and Canva. If you're looking to plan a spooktacular holiday season, Halloween party, or just get organized for the season in your personal and business life, either planner is just perfect for you. I'm Allison, the founder and owner of ABC Organizers Unlimited. I provide tailored solutions to enhance your productivity, help you accomplish your goals, and achieve work-life balance. With Halloween just around the corner, I wanted to make sure you're prepared to enjoy every moment without stress. My planners are designed to merge fun and function, helping you handle everything from candy inventories to party planning with ease. Business owners, streamline your holiday sales strategies and maximize your seasonal profits with ease. This planner helps you stay ahead and make the most of the holiday rush. Event planners, orchestrate flawless corporate holiday events with this tool. From scheduling to managing every detail, make sure your events are memorable and stress-free. Gift gurus, curate the perfect presents and manage your holiday shopping effortlessly. Say goodbye to last-minute stress and hello to thoughtful gift-giving. Holiday enthusiasts, decorate your home and plan your celebrations in style. Our planner makes holiday planning as fun as the festivities themselves. Holiday hosts, get everything organized for the perfect gathering. From menu planning to party prep, ensure your events are a hit with minimal hassle. Savvy marketers, create impactful holiday campaigns that resonate with your audience. Optimize your marketing strategies and make this season your most successful yet. Whatever you are trying to accomplish this holiday season, either planner is your super secret weapon for a perfectly organized and spooky season. Ready to transform your Halloween planning? Get the Halloween planner made for Notion or Halloween planner made in Canva. Download now and get instant access to your all-in-one solution for a spectacular season with either holiday planning tool. Get started today planning your best Halloween yet. Thanks for joining me behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and hit that subscribe button for more. Happy planning!